When the helicopter goes my left, that's a lot of wind. Man, that was too close. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishanmao here. Second flight of the day on my KDS Innova 550. I just want to drain the batteries and make sure the helicopter is in flying conditions and keep it in flying condition. So before flight, check everything. If anything is loose, belt seems okay. Ooh, the floor is very hot. Everything seems fine. Let's spool it up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. A lot of wind coming, huh? I don't know, it's from the rotors or the wind is really blowing. When the helicopter goes my left, that's a lot of wind. Man, that was too close. I shouldn't get that close to this helicopter. Man, we hate not I'm running out of words and I don't want to cut them from this video, but I can tell you, I and other people, we just hate this fence because it really limits our flying, and at time I have crashed my models in this fence, and my friends also crashed their models in this fence. I just want to get the feel of my controls. Lot of wind, man. Are the blades tracking properly or not? Slight deviation. I have to do the blade tracking. I have to do the blade tracking. That's a very, very slight deviation. Mashallah, it flew very well, and alhamdulillah, I'm safe. I have never flown this helicopter this close to me before at Idle Up. This is a big baby to pick up. I'm happy that I'm getting back to this kind of old school flying. I used to fly that reckless before, and yes, I'm reckless today because I'm all alone. Look, nobody is around me. I'm all alone, so I went a little bit reckless just to enjoy the feeling that I have been missing while flying these helicopters and these models before. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give this helicopter a big like, stay subscribed to my channel, and stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.